Hi everyone, this is Sean Heidemann. I'm a real estate broker here in the Phoenix, Arizona area. If you're new to real estate investing or if you have done investing in the past, this video is definitely for you. The best way to not make mistakes in real estate investing is to analyze everything in advance. Best way to do that is on a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. I do have a finance degree from Arizona State University, and I also used to be a commercial and residential appraiser. So a lot of these spreadsheets I did put together myself, and some of them I use personally as well as for my clients as well. So this video is to kind of educate you on what I do offer real estate investors as far as representing you as a client. And so let's get started here. This first spreadsheet is a flipping return on investment spreadsheet. So this is what I offer my investors. It's quite simple. It's you have your best case scenario, your second case scenario, and your worst case scenario. So there's a number of variables when you buy a property. You obviously are going to know what the purchase price is, so before you offer. So there's a couple variables there, and then fair market value. You're going to do your analysis. A sales comparison approach, you kind of know what the value might be when you resell it, and then also your repair costs, because sometimes you get in there and then you find other things that are unexpected that needs to be repaired. So that's why I have these scenarios here. But the first one is purchase price, fair market value. Each one of these is where you're going to enter something in there. A down payment is if you're either getting a hard money loan, put that there. Your HOA payments, your insurance and taxes, it calculates the total money cost there. Your purchase costs here, and then your repairs. If you have any rental income, so that goes against your expenses, and then your selling costs as well. So we calculate all that. So we calculate all your expenses for the flip, and then it calculates your profit. And this down here is kind of unique. It tells you what your total invested capital is based on all of these expenses. And then this one here down, the maximum purchase price will tell you what's the maximum that you can purchase the property at, and you just set your preferred profit margin. Right now I have it at 30,000. So if we offered 385,000, we would still be able to make $30,000 on this property. And then, so the next case scenario, we're at 360 and 55,000 for renovation costs, and total maximum offer price could be, we could go up another 7,000 on that offer. And then the worst case scenario, we're not making 30,000, we're making less than 30. So the maximum offer price is 355 for this when you have your total repairs at 60,000. So this is a useful spreadsheet. I use it quite often, and I don't make mistakes on when I flip properties based on this spreadsheet. So the next one here is for single-family homes, townhouses, condos. If you're looking at buying an investment property for a rental. And so you have your offer price, you have initial repairs, closing costs. Once again, all the other cells. I'm going to enter the information in there, and all the other cells are just automatically calculated. Like as you can see here, there is already cells put in there. But anyway, so your renovation costs, your rental income, you have your taxes, your insurance, property management, HOA, any maintenance, any utilities that you're paying. So it calculates all your expenses, and here's your rental income. And if you have a loan, it includes your debt service, either annual or monthly, so monthly and annual. And then it comes up with your return on investment of all cash, and then your cash on cash investment. So before you buy the property, you can analyze this and try to find the best rental property that's going to give you the highest return on investment and cash on cash return. And so this down here is capital appreciation based on 5%. Selling costs when you resell the property, have the commission at 5%, and then annual loan principal reduction. So when you make a payment, it reduces the amount on your loan, and also gives you your return on capital in a couple of years. So this is a useful tool for analyzing investment properties, and I make this available to all my investor clients when we are out looking at properties and trying to figure out which property is best to buy, and what's going to give them the highest return on investment. This next tab down here, it has all the expenses that you would possibly be repairing on a property. So this is more for if you're doing a flip, but you can also use it for a rental property that may need some fix up when you first purchase it. We can get estimates, plug the contractor and the material costs in there, and then if anything's based on price per square foot, like tile installation, laminate, stuff like that. But yeah, and then so all the way down at the bottom comes up with the total cost of all your repairs, and so this way you can break everything out, kind of know what your costs are going to be, and you can also put that in this section right here. So this is one of the spreadsheets. I do have some other ones. So this one is an amortization schedule. So when you get a loan, it breaks out all your monthly payments based on total payment, interest, principal, and then your balance on your loan. And it gives you a 5-year projection of how much your principal balance is going to be paid down. So this is a great tool. So if you're buying a rental property, you pay a little extra every month, then you can pay off the loan quicker. And so this will kind of give you an idea of if you pay an extra $200, then how much extra you're going to be able to pay off on the loan. And then this other spreadsheet is more for renovations. Any client can really use this. Anybody that's buying a property, they want to renovate or remodel the bathroom. This kind of breaks out everything, the quantity in your estimate, and then you can put your actual one here. And but this is for estimating. So you put your estimate for cabinets, medicine cabinets, countertops, faucets, breaks everything out that you possibly be remodeling for the bathroom, and comes up your total down here. And I have a similar one here for a kitchen. So you want your flooring, your washer, your dryer, your lighting, refrigerator, sinks, hood. So it breaks everything out, gives you the total cost at the bottom. And the spreadsheet here is for a portfolio investor. So let's say you have an inheritance that you received or an insurance payment, and you wanted to invest and buy 2 or 3, 4 or 5, 7 properties by financing them. So we can put all this information in here, come up with the total investment, gross depreciation, estimated income, taxes. It comes up with a yearly return on investment and your accumulated return on investment for your investment. So this is a great tool for analyzing if you're looking at buying more than one property, or also even if you already have some properties and you have a portfolio established. We can kind of come up with this and enter the information here. Kind of helps you analyze your investments. So that is all of our spreadsheets that we offer for our clients. If you're interested, please reach out to me. I have all my contact information below. You can click on the more information, and I have my calendar, my phone number, all my social media down there. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.